Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
Unsa na siya nga kuan reverse to Snake Road. Ah. Vera. Vera. Nice, nice. Wow.
Alright, good day Kapajak. So nakita nyo na yung Stairway to Heaven in Cebu. So actually first time din namin sa route na yon. So hindi namin kabisado yung daan. So yung daan medyo may pagka-steep, tapos malubak-lubak, maraming bato. And so far so good. Kinaya namin lahat na umakyat hanggang sa dulo. At itong route namin ngayon ay papuntang Panoypoy and down to Garing. And after that, paakyat na naman to Snake Road single track. So at this time, medyo madulas yung daan dahil malakas yung ulan kagabi. So ingat-ingat lang tayo mga Kapajak. So ito yung second time namin sa Panoypoy reverse to Garing route. And our first time mag-reverse from Garing to Snake Road single track.
Hulikam. Hulikam.
So ito na yung reverse to Garing Road. So napaka-steep ang daan dito Kapajak. So may stopover kami dito sa Batchoy area. Approximately nasa 3 kilometers uphill climb. So correct me if I'm wrong. Just comment below Kapajak. A big shout out to you, Mr. John Lee, lover boy John Lee. Kapajak, ito na yung stopover sa Batchoy area.
Yeah. MD, JPB. It's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little.
So, Kapadjak, ito ang pinaka-steep na part sa Garing Route. So, before ka mag-downhill dito, dapat check mo muna yung brakes at saka tires mo. So, dapat safety first muna, Kapadjak. Shout out to you, Johnny. Ang bilis mo, Johnny, ah. Guys, kasama ko yung si Johnny yung nauna. Siya yung Mr. Cebu year 1998. Just comment below mga Kapadjak from Cebu kung ilang kilometro ito from Batchoy going sa baba ng Garing Route. I-comment na lang, Kapadjak. Merong aso, Kapadjak. Mahaba-haba talagang ahon dito sa Garing Route, mga Kapadjak. Nung first time ko dito, talagang muntikan akong malaspag. Woo! Sabing akyatan dito, Kapadjak. Sarap talaga, Kapadjak, pag puro downhill na lang. Woo! Malapit na tayo sa starting point ng Garing Route, Kapadjak. Andito na pala tayo. Woo! Bilis! Kapadjak, ito yung reverse to Snake Road. So, grabe, napaka-steep dito. May elf trap na munti ka na mahulog sa bangin kanina. Hindi ko lang nakuna ng video dahil hindi siguro kinaya nung elf ang napakatirik na daan dito. Tapos madulas pa yung daan dahil may mga lumot tapos umuulan pa kagabi. So, grabing akyatan dito, mga Kapadjak. Grabe, Kapadjak, napagod ako dun. So, inhale, exhale for recovery. Whew!
Good day, Kapadjak. So, another trail, Sunday trail. So actually yung route namin from Panoypoy to Garing, reverse namin yung destination namin. Actually napuntahan namin tong trail na to, I think for 2 weeks before. So itong dinaanan namin ngayon, destination ito going to Snake Road. So actually first time namin dumaan dito. So yung daan hindi namin inaasahan, napaka-steep pala. So grabe. So ito yung entry road going to Snake Road. Whew. Let's get it on.
Sad to say, hindi na kami nag-snake road mga kapadyak dahil may parating na malakas na ulan. So, nag-divert kami going to single track. Malayo-layo pa sana yung biyahe namin pero di talaga kaya. Baka mabasa kami ng ulan. Kaya nag-shortcut na lang muna kami. So next time na lang ulit. Ito na yung entry ng single track mga kapadyak. So trail muna tayo ngayon.
Yeah. MD, JPB. It's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bad bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, Joe. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. I tell Shorty drop it for a real one. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women, if I want them then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women, I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better, you only get jealous. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. You know. This